Hi guys, welcome to the video. Today I'll be unboxing two items I got from Gucci. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. So the first unboxing comes straight from Gucci.com. I'm surprised they put it in a really big box. It's actually a small item. So let's open this one up first. So when you open it up, it comes like this. There's a lot of excess packaging and stuffing inside. Here's the receipt and return label. So it comes in a Gucci bag. And here it is. It's a small little Gucci box. And I got Gucci dust bag. And this is the six ring holder or key case. So this is what it looks like. It has the double GG. It's actually very similar to the Louis Vuitton 6-key holder. I was thinking of actually doing a comparison between these two. So if you're interested, please let me know in the comments below. So when you open it up, it's a pretty strong closure here. Comes like that. Comes with the responsibility card and the control number. So it comes like this. So obviously this has 6 rings. One is, I would believe, is for the car key. It's actually a lot darker in person. On the website it looked like a true red, bluish red, but this looks closer to like a dark red. It says Gucci made in Italy. This has it has a leather flap here. There is a little slip pocket here, but I believe it does not fit credit cards, because it won't close properly. That's what I've seen from another video. So that's the 6-key holder from Gucci. Has that grainy texture on the leather. So I decided to put my keys, and this is what it looks like. I have exactly 6 keys. Has my house keys, work keys, and car keys. So that's what it looks like closed. My car keys hang out a lot. It doesn't hang out as much in the Louis Vuitton 6-key holder. That's the first thing I noticed. So the reason why I got it in this color was because I thought it would be a lot easier to find inside my bags. I also want to know if it's gonna show any wear, since this is gold hardware. if you're gonna see more wear on this versus the one that I have, which has silver hardware. Says Gucci right there. This next unboxing comes from My Teresa, and as you can see by the box, it came like this, so I decided to just kind of unopen it on the floor so I didn't have to touch the box. And fortunately, I was looking over it. It does look like the inside is okay. So as you can see here, comes with, this is actually the receipt and return label. So this is how they wrapped the packaging. It says, "Thank you. This package has been lovingly wrapped by Lily from My Teresa." So it still comes in the Gucci dust bag like this. So far I don't see any damage to the actual dust bag, and luckily it did not get on here. So I got the GG Marmont matelassé mini bag. It is made from matelassé leather with a double GG in the front with antique gold hardware. It comes with these leather tassels for the pull tab. So the dimensions for this bag is 7 inches across, 5 inches in height, and 2.5 inches in depth. And on the back of the bag, you can see there is a double GG in stitching with a chevron design. So when you open it up, it comes fully stuffed. So I'm just gonna take that out. The interior is a light beige color and it has a suede-like interior. It also has the responsibility card and the control card. It has one zip pocket in the back. And the tag says Gucci made in Italy. And on the back it has the date code. So I was actually debating between this and the size small, but I just really felt like the small was a little too big. It was a little, the width was a little, the depth was a little too big. It's about 3 inches, and it just looked bigger to me in person. So I decided to get it in the mini instead. It's obviously going to be smaller, but I don't really carry too many things on a regular basis, so I think this is just going to fit my daily essentials. So I'll be right back and put some things that I normally bring with me, and I'll show you what it looks like inside. This is what it looks like with the stuff that I decided to put inside. So let's see what fits. I just put a hair tie, a lipstick, hand sanitizer, some panty liners, tissue, my Gucci key case, compact, My iPhone 8 Plus does fit in here. And a card holder. So that's what I put inside. I put the card holder in here. I find that if I do decide to put a mini pochette and put like the smaller items in here, I won't be able to fit everything in there, so I just took everything out from here and put it directly in the bag. I think that if I were to just carry my phone in my pocket, I could probably fit this in there a little bit better. So another reason why I decided to pick this over the size small is because I really do like the camera style. The other one kind of is wider at the base, so it's not completely a rectangular shape. So I really just like this shape better. And then I was also debating between this color and the porcelain rose, but ultimately I believe this would better suit my wardrobe, and I mean, I can't go wrong with a black bag. You can pretty much match this all year long. So anyways, yeah, thank you guys for watching my double unboxing of the 6 key holder and the GG Marmont in a size mini. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.